Alright, so in this video we are going to discuss a problem. At one particular instant, a proton and electron are moving away from each other in an orientation diagram below. So you have the positive going to the left, negative going to the right. And they're both moving with a velocity of 2 times 10 to the 6 meters per second. And we want to know what the magnitude and direction of the magnetic field at point P is due to the two charges. So point P is 150 degrees away from the negative charge, so 30 from the positive charge, and R is 8 nanometers long. Alright, since I'm given the angle here, I'm going to use the form of the magnetic field equation that has the sign of phi in it. And I'm going to figure out right away whether the magnetic field strength is positive or negative. So for the positive charge, V is pointing to the left. So I'm going to point my thumb to the left, which is going to cause my fingers to curl into the page, which is the negative Z direction. For the negative charge, I'm going to point my thumb to the right, because the V is to the right, and I'm going to copy the negative charge, and it looks like my fingers are going to come out of the page, but because it's a negative charge, I have to do the opposite, so I'm going to flip my hand around, and my fingers are going to go into the page, which is also negative. So both terms are going to be negative. Alright, so I factored out quite a few quantities here. So we're going to plug in our magnetic constant, so 4 pi times 10 to the minus 7 Tesla meters per amp, and the 4 pi on the bottom. I've also factored out the charge, because even though they are oppositely signed, they both have the same charge, and we don't plug in the sign of the charge, so you notice the absolute value signs in the equation. They both have the same velocity, so I factored that out. And they're both the same distance away from the point of interest, point P, so I factored out that as well, remembering to square it and converting from nanometers to meters. So the only thing left in my parentheses is the sign of phi. So for the positive charge, it's 30 degrees between V and R. And then for the negative charge, it's 150 degrees between V and R. So now I can plug this all into my calculator, and I get a magnetic field strength of negative 5 times 10 to the minus 4 Teslas in the z hat direction. So once again, the negative sign tells you in the negative direction, and the z hat tells you it's in the z direction, so negative z direction.